Chapter 12, Ulysses, the mysterious guest in Alcinous' palace. Following the counsel of the noble Nausicaa, Odysseus set out for the city of the Phaeacians. Athena, protector of his fate, assisted him disguised as a maiden and concealed him beneath a magical cloud so that he could pass through streets and squares unseen until he reached the palace of Alcinous. When the divine veil dissolved, he appeared in the midst of the brilliance of the great hall. Those present were overcome with awe, unable to understand where that solitary traveler had come from. Odysseus, aware of the solemnity of the moment, bowed before Queen Arete with the humility of one who has endured long trials and seeks shelter. Alcinous, a magnanimous king, rose from his throne and received him with honor, offering him bread, wine, and rest, thus upholding the sacred law of hospitality. In that gesture shone the promise of aid, and Odysseus felt a moment of relief amid his endless journey. Before Arete's compassionate gaze, he recounted his shipwreck, the days of solitude, the years beside Calypso, and the storm that had cast him upon those shores, where Nausicaa had offered him her hand. Each word revealed the struggle between an adverse fate and his longing to return to Ithaca. Moved, Alcinous ordered a ship to be prepared to return him to his homeland. And the queen arranged a bed for his rest. Thus, after so many storms, Odysseus found in the home of the Phaeacians not only refuge but also the certainty that his return was near. Ulysses proved his strength, but his greatest challenge is yet to come. Fate is calling, and danger follows close behind. Don't miss the next episode. The Odyssey continues. Enjoyed the story? Curious to see what happens next? Please follow us and give us a like. Share your thoughts in the comments. Your support keeps this adventure alive.